morning, traders, and welcome to the daily call today, Friday, the 31st of July. Looking at yesterday's trading session, we had data come out from the US. We saw the GDP number come in at minus 32.9%, very, very close to the forecast. Of course, everybody's expecting these exaggerated, or rather, should I say, really dark looking numbers. US dollar continues to lose ground against most of the majors, and that pattern just seems to be continuing on for the time being. The other data that we had came from Europe. The GDP number from Germany came in at minus 10.1. Again, that number was surprisingly looked at by people in government as saying they were pleasantly surprised. Investors have been taken by the euro at the moment, and a lot of cash flow is flowing towards the euro, and the euro continues to make ground against most of the other major currency pairs, including the euro USD, which continues to make higher highs. So that's all that happened yesterday. So we'll move on to our chart of the day. Incidentally, the chart that I showed you yesterday, CAD Yen, we got stopped out on that one, so not to worry. We look for another opportunity. And this morning, what I have for us is it's the US Swiss on a daily timescale. Now, I haven't shown a statistical trade for a little while. For some of you may have never seen this, but essentially what we have a situation here with the USD that we've had 10 consecutive days where the market has gone in one direction. So, and what I mean by that is we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 candles that have just gone down, or 10 red candles. So we're not anticipating a large move back, but when we do have this rarity, should I say, there's a high statistical probability that we will produce a blue candle. Okay, so we're not trying to trade to these levels or anything like that. All we're simply looking for is a short term reversal, because we could possibly get, as an example, this is this morning's candle, the doji that I'm pointing at the moment. Now we could get a little blue candle like that, and then after the market continues to go down. So typically when I trade this, I'm looking for anywhere between, depending on the daily range of the candles with the US Swiss, it looks like it's 20 to 30 pips is about the amount to look for that. So for those of you who are interested, I'm on this one. It's the US Swiss daily timescale, and the reason for it is a statistical trade. We've had 10 consecutive red candles, so I'm looking for a little short-term reversal. Okay, there you have it. That is our chart of the day. All right, what is on the agenda for the session, which is about to kick off? We have just one solitary bit of data. It happens at 10:30 this evening from Canada, and it's the GDP numbers that are due to be released. That wraps up the session, guys. As always, please feel free to contact us if you do have any questions. Follow me on Twitter at ChatFX for trade setups and breaking news. Most importantly, hope you all have a fantastic trading day. Have a great weekend. I will speak to you on Monday for the full market weekly analysis. Bye for now.